Hello my friends, it's me Linet. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create one of Google logo. So step 1, select ellipse tool and make it Alt Shift key for the Windows. If you are using Mac, hold on Option Shift key. And next step we have to set the value like a 40 pt, whatever you feel you can make it. It doesn't matter. So the next one, we have to create one line like a straightly. So I have to create one of the lines straight here and set the value something one like this. Okay. Then another one, we have to change the color. So this one I have to change color something red, whatever. And next we have one more copy. So select the line here, edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Then hold on shift key, rotate 45 and again 45. So we will import like this. Select all of these shapes and go to align, set horizontal align center and vertical align center here. Okay. And next step, we have to create one more like a rectangle or line with the same size. So better let's go to shape over here. Okay, and set value for that 40 pt like this. Okay, then let's go for this color. I have to change something else to find out difference. So I have to set this arrange something going different here. And next step, we have to select this both like a line perfectly here. Then hold on shift key. So before shift key, if you want, you can make it one more copy of this line because we need one middle line here. So first of all, I have to select edit, copy and edit, paste in place. It means we keeping two file here, I mean two lines here. So I have to select this both line here, then I have to hold on shift key, then just to rotate it 45-degree angle here. Okay, now let's make this one like perfectly. So this line, this yellow one, we have to move with the shift key, hold on shift key and move with the proper something like 1 pt distance over here. Okay, then next step, select this yellow line here and edit, copy, edit, paste in place and select reflect tool. Then pick one anchor point here and second anchor point here. That means we got this like perfect arrangements here. So next one, we don't want this line, we can delete it. And next select this red one and green one, go to object, then expand it and make it okay. So it's become filled right now. Then after that, we need separate distribution, we need a separate distribution and distribution also. So we have to select all of these shapes here, then go to shape builder. Then see, this is a one division, so I just drag this three division, so it become one here. Then we can change something and this one too. So this is a one division. And let's go to next one. So this yellow will be another division here and this one will be another one. So I just dragged here. And this shapes, I mean this two division will be another division. So let's click over here and click over here. So this division actually we don't want, so we can delete it. So and once you select, you can delete. So let's make the color. So this is a one selection here. Then now we have to set the value something differently. So I have to check it here. So this one will be this particular red color here, and this second one will be yellow here. So select, go to eyedropper and go over here. Then the next one, this division will be that green color here. and this will be blue, something this one. So let's delete rest of this line. So select these four shapes properly and hold down shift key and select all over here, then delete it. So now see, this is balance is perfectly okay, and this angle also okay, and this divisions everything is okay. So this logo is almost is ready. It's not meaning 100% perfect, because maybe 1 2% it has limitation. So please follow this way if you want to create it. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. So if you like, please support me.